Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Adelia Octaviani and I'm from Muhammadiyah University of Yogyakarta. Today I want to do my paper presentation with the title is Agribusiness Students' Perception about Adopting Organic Agriculture in Indonesia. First is introduction. Organic agriculture has long been known to humans, namely since the science of farming was applied by our ancestors. In line with the development of agricultural science and the number of human population, the need for food also increases. In order to get significant results towards fulfill food needs, many farmers use synthetic fertilizer, synthetic pesticide or other chemicals pesticide. However, as time goes by, lately many problems have been found due to mismanagement in agricultural land, such as contamination by chemical fertilizer and chemical pesticide due to excessive use of this material and an impact on environmental quality and human health. Along with the times, a healthy lifestyle with the slogan "Back to Nature" has become a new life for the world community. Many people are aware of the negative effects of the use of chemicals such as synthetic chemical fertilizer and pesticide in agricultural production, human health, and the environment. As a country that is blessed with abundant diversity, abundance of sunshine, water, and soil, and a culture of society that respects nature, Indonesia has lacked capital to develop organic agriculture because the selling value to be achieved in the development of organic agriculture is higher compared to inorganic farming. Next is literature review. Organic agriculture is defined as an ecological production management system that promotes and enhances biodiversity, biological cycles, and soil biological activities. It is based on the minimal use of inputs and management practice that restore, maintain, and enhance ecological harmony. The main objective of organic farming is to optimize the health and productivity of the interdependent society of land, plants, animals, and humans by Wulandari and Wahyudi in 2014. And then, according to Sutanto in 2002, there are 4 steps to natural farming. First is without tillage, regarding the entry of plant roots and the activities of soil, microbes, microfauna, and earthworms. Second is not use at all chemical fertilizer or compost. Then, weed eradication is not carried out either through soil cultivation or the use of herbicide because it will limit and suppress weed growth from time to time. Last, absolutely not dependent on chemicals. Next is research method. A qualitative survey design was chosen to describe agribusiness students' perception about adopting organic agriculture in Indonesia. The study target population was third year of bachelor degree students of agribusiness Muhammadiyah University of Yogyakarta. A total 2 students of agribusiness major were invited to participate in the study. The questionnaire will conduct in a paper and then the participant will have answered the question. This method allows for the development of a semi-structured open-ended interview with each participant. All participants were asked about their perception and response towards this study. And then, to recruit the participant, researchers contacted some potential participants in third year of bachelor degree student of agribusiness Muhammadiyah University of Yogyakarta. Following participant contact with the researcher, the purpose, scope, and the required time commitment were informed. After that, a semi-structured interview was conducted in Indonesia with the participant. The interview lasts for approximately 20 until 30 minutes. To analyze the data, each interview was audio recorded on, then transcribed. Each interview transcript was read multiple times and the keynote from each participant's perception were met. Specific attention was given to common or overlapping themes. Next is findings and discussion. From the interview, most of respondents said that adopting organic agriculture in Indonesia is quite effective because farmers can reach wider market. A third year of agribusiness student bachelor degree shared her opinion regarding, I think that adopting organic agriculture in Indonesia is quite effective because Indonesian people nowadays adopting healthy lifestyle and it can be a potential market, so farmers can reach a wider market. And then from the interview, researchers found that there are some obstacles when farmers adopting organic agriculture. We know that organic agricultural method is more expensive, so the product can expensive too. And then farmers used to using chemical products such as pesticide and fertilizer, so they didn't want to adopt organic agriculture because farmers afraid can get the consumer. And then from the interview, there are several ways to overcome the obstacle when adopting organic agriculture. The third year of agribusiness bachelor degree students illustrated there are some ways to handle the obstacle. We can teach farmers to adopt organic agriculture. We can explain about the impact of using chemical for agricultural products and benefit organic agriculture for our environment and our life. And last is conclusion. In this study, as shown above, organic agriculture is quite effective to adopt in Indonesia because people nowadays adopting healthy lifestyle, so farmers can reach a wider market. From the analysis, there are several problems faced when adopting organic agriculture in Indonesia, such as farmers used to using chemical and didn't want to adopt organic agriculture, and then organic products more expensive than inorganic farmings. So farmers afraid can get the consumer. Therefore, as said before, we can handle that obstacle in a way we have to teach farmers to adopt organic agriculture, explain to them about the impact of using chemical for agricultural products, and benefit organic agriculture for our environment and our life. And then we can do provision to the organic pesticide and fertilizer with cheaper price. This study also affirms that organic agricultural can be adopted in Indonesia when we can teach farmers to adopt organic agriculture. Based on the finding of this study, it is recommended to the future research to find effective ways to adopt organic agriculture so it can help the farmer to produce and sell their product easily.